Ever found yourself scrolling through those mesmerizing TradingView charts with all those lines, indicators, and price actions and thought, could I actually make money doing this? Well, you're not alone. It's a question that pops into the minds of many aspiring traders and investors who stumble upon this powerful platform. TradingView has become the go-to hub for millions worldwide, offering real-time data, advanced charting tools, and a vibrant social community. You see people sharing their analysis, discussing strategies, and even posting their seemingly successful trades. It's natural to wonder if you can tap into that world and turn those insights into actual income. Now, let's be clear from the outset, TradingView itself doesn't directly pay you money for using its platform. It's not like a social media platform that offers creator funds or advertising revenue. TradingView is primarily a tool, a sophisticated toolkit for analyzing financial markets. Think of it like a carpenter's workshop. It provides all the necessary instruments, but it's the carpenter's skill and effort that determine the final product and any potential earnings. So, if TradingView doesn't directly pay you, how can you potentially earn money through it? The answer lies in leveraging the platform for your own trading and investment activities. TradingView equips you with the tools to analyze price charts, identify trends, and make informed decisions on various financial instruments, be it stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or commodities. By using these tools effectively, developing a sound trading strategy, and managing your risk diligently, you can potentially profit from the price movements of these assets through a brokerage account that you connect separately. However, it's crucial to understand that trading and investing involve significant risk. There's no magic formula or guaranteed path to riches. The financial markets are complex and influenced by a multitude of factors. What looks like a promising setup on a chart can quickly turn against you. Therefore, any potential earnings are directly tied to your ability to analyze the market accurately and execute trades skillfully. Beyond direct trading, TradingView's social features can indirectly contribute to earning potential. For instance, building a strong reputation and following by sharing insightful analysis and accurate predictions can open doors to other opportunities. You might attract the attention of brokerage firms, financial media outlets, or even individuals seeking mentorship or trading signals, though be extremely cautious and ethical about offering such services, ensuring you comply with all relevant regulations. Furthermore, if you possess strong programming skills, TradingView's PineScript language allows you to create custom indicators and trading strategies. If these tools are valuable, you could potentially share or even sell them within the TradingView community, although this requires a significant level of expertise and effort. While TradingView itself isn't a direct income source, it serves as a powerful platform that can facilitate your journey towards potential earnings in the financial markets. It provides the tools and community to enhance your analysis and decision-making. However, success ultimately hinges on your own knowledge, skills, discipline, and risk management. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it requires dedication and continuous learning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.